Welcome back to Grow My Savings. You've been investing consistently, setting money aside, building your portfolio, and watching it grow. But now you're asking yourself, when should I start investing more? How much extra is safe to add? Those are smart questions, because increasing your investments at the right time can speed up your wealth building, but doing it too soon can leave you short on cash when you need it. Today, we'll break down how to know when you're ready to invest more, and how to do it without breaking your budget. Before you increase your investments, make sure your financial foundation is solid. Here are 4 signs you're ready to step it up. You have an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved. This keeps your investments safe from sudden withdrawals when life happens. You've paid off high-interest debt, especially credit cards or payday loans. There's no point investing for 8% returns while paying 20% interest on debt. Your income has increased. A raise, side hustle, or business profits are perfect moments to boost your investments without feeling the pinch. You're meeting your monthly goals comfortably. Bills, rent, and daily expenses are stable. If you can save without stress, it's time to push further. When these boxes are checked, you're not just investing more, you're investing smart. There's no magic number, but here's a simple rule. Increase your investment rate by 5-10% of your income whenever you can. For example, if you're currently investing 10% of your income, try raising it to 12% or 15%. Got a raise? Invest half of it. That way, your lifestyle improves a little, but your wealth grows a lot. And if you're nervous about jumping too fast, start small. Add $20 or $50 more per month. You'll barely feel the difference, but your future self will thank you. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress with consistency. Timing also matters. Here are the best times to increase your investments. After paying off a major debt, like a car loan, after getting a raise or bonus, after finishing an emergency fund, or when your cost of living goes down, like moving or reducing expenses. You can also automate this. Set your investment app to increase contributions by a small percentage each year. That way, your investments grow automatically as your income does. This technique is often called the invisible raise. You're building wealth quietly in the background. Here's the key takeaway. Only increase your investments when you can do it comfortably and sustainably, because consistency beats intensity. It's better to invest steadily for 10 years than to go all in for 6 months and burn out. Keep your emergency savings strong, review your goals, and build up slowly. Over time, those extra contributions, even small ones, create massive growth through the power of compound returns. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If you're ready to level up your investing journey, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's thinking about investing more. And stay tuned.